Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. This one you got about 0 because this is about the constant. First derivative of s squared, we have 2s and we have c squared in here. Because we don't have 2c squared, so we need to divide both sides by 2c squared. So this one we change by u. The s we change by du over 2c squared. And 3a I will put outside. The integration of 1 over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.